What's that sound? Uh-oh. What do you hear? Oh no, do you hear a washing machine? That might be what you hear. A kettle? High pitch? A beep? Was it going beep beep? Whistling? What? Oh my goodness, that is the washing machine. It's so loud, isn't it? I'll go close the door so like maybe. Yeah, is it going down now? It's like it does sound like an airplane. Is it going zoo? Yeah, that's the washing machine. It spins super fast, doesn't it? I think it's done, but you know what? I just realized it's probably gonna beep. It's on a setting where the beeper doesn't. Did you hear that? Uh-oh. Did you hear that? Chat froze for a second, and right when it beeped, and I panicked a little bit. That felt a bit... That didn't feel right.